In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Strava for cycling. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a ride, monitor your stats, and review your performance without any confusion. First, open the Strava app and log in. The app will ask for permissions, and the most important one is location. Be sure to allow location access so Strava can use your phone's GPS to track your ride accurately. If you're indoors or in a dense area, step outside for a clearer signal before you begin. To start recording, open Strava and tap record at the bottom of the screen. Choose the cycling or ride option, which is indicated by the bike icon. Now, wait a moment for the GPS indicator to show a strong signal. This short pause helps improve the accuracy of your distance, speed, and route. When you're ready, tap Start. From this point on, Strava will track your distance, current and average speed, elevation changes, and draw a route map as you go. While you're riding, keep an eye on the live map to see your path and position. You'll see real-time data for speed and distance, and Strava will also record your elevation gain automatically. If you need to stop for a light or take a break, you can pause and resume at any time with a quick tap. For added convenience, consider enabling auto pause so Strava stops the timer when you stop moving and starts it again when you roll. If you want an extra layer of safety, you can turn on Beacon to share your live location with trusted contacts. Just remember that this feature may require a subscription and a data connection, and using GPS continuously can affect battery life, so start with a well-charged phone. When you've finished your ride, tap Stop, then tap Finish. You'll have the option to add a ride name that helps you identify it later, choose your bike type so your gear stats stay accurate, and attach photos or quick notes about conditions or how you felt. Finally, tap Save. Your ride is now stored and visible on your profile and feed, according to your privacy settings. After saving, take a moment to review your stats. Strava will display your total distance, average speed, max speed, elevation gain, and a detailed map of your route. You can compare your effort with friends, join challenges to stay motivated, and explore segment rankings, which show how your time stacks up on popular stretches of road or trail. It's a great way to track progress and set goals responsibly while enjoying your ride.